We'll guide you through how to download and install Fabric in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Fabric is super useful as it's essentially a mod loader, so it allows you to go and mod Minecraft. So I'll be running it through how you can get it and use it in this video. First of all, let's quit Minecraft. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. It doesn't matter which one. And what you want to do is go and search for Fabric like so. And what you need to do is go and search for Minecraft Fabric just like so. Come to the official site, which is fabricmc.net. And what you can then do is go and click on download. Then click on download for Windows like so. Now what we also need to do is go and get the Fabric API. Most mods are going to require this, so go and click on it. This will take you to CurseForge. You can click on files just to the right of the description, and you can then scroll down here. So on the left here, you're going to see the type, and you've got beta and release. I like to go and use the full release. In this case, I'm going to go and get it for 1.21.1. Now it's important to note that the version of Fabric you go and install, and then the versions we get for the API and any mods we add, all need to match. So I'd recommend if there's a certain mod you want, you go and find that first, and then you can know the versions you can go and get. There's no specific mod I want, so it doesn't matter too much. So in this case, I'm going to get the latest version. So I'll come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file like so. And like that, it's now downloaded. And now what I'm going to do is go and get a mod just to show you that we can go and add it. So I'll go to curseforge.com, click on Minecraft, and then I'll click on categories and select mods. Then I'll go and just get just enough items. I'll click on files at the top, and then we can go and see the different versions here. As I said, the game version needs to match what we got Fabric in, and we also need to make sure the mod is for Fabric. As you can see, this one is. So I can click on the three dots to the right and click on download file. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features. For example, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get the help anytime you need it, instant setup, one-click install mod packs, and so many more awesome features like automated backups. So if you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, which you can go and check out. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Make sure you go and check them out. Now let's start the install process. Go and open up your file explorer, go to the left and click on downloads, and go and select what we just downloaded and drag it onto our desktop like so. Now what we need to do is first of all, go and run the Fabric installer. So double click on it like so. Then what we need to do is go and choose the Minecraft version we want this for. Make sure you choose the same version as you got the API for and any mods. In my case, that was 1.20.1. Select it and click on install, and we can press OK. And that's that simple. Then what you want to do is come to the bottom and click on search, and you can go and type in Minecraft like so. Then what you need to do is go to the top and click on installations. Go and scroll down until you can go and find Fabric Loader and go and find the version. In this case for me it was 1.20.1. Hover over it and click on the file or folder icon to the right. Then this will go and open up, and what you need to do is go into the mods folder. You may need to go and scroll down to go and find it. Here it is. Once you're in it, you can then go and add in the API and any mods like so. And that's it, you've installed them. Then go to the right of Fabric Loader and go and click on play, and we can go and get into this. Here we are, and just to show you it's been successful, we can go and see the mod, just enough items over to the right here.